Okay, well this membrane is now being dipped into a urine sample, and it has been dipped in the sample for approximately 20 seconds to a minute. Depending on how quickly the take-up absorbs, you can see the dye running through the membranes, and you'll see on this one, on the BZO membrane, you've still got quite a bit of pink dye running through the through the area of the membrane. It can be left in the sample until you see the pink dye coming through these results windows and reaching the control lines. As soon as you've got the C lines starting to form, you can safely remove the sample from the the test from the urine sample, and we've reapplied the cap on here. Then just lay it flat, and you're looking to read this at the specified read time for the test, which is between 5 and 10 minutes. You should, by the 10-minute time frame, have a nice clear white background to your test, and you should then be able to clearly see both your control lines and your test lines. Now this one's still got a little while to go, but the advice we normally give is if you've got clear control lines and clear test lines showing at 3 to 5 minutes, you're okay to interpret that as a clear negative result. Once the test line's formed, it's not going to then disappear and become a positive result over the course of 5 to 10 minutes. So if we just run you through the results here, you've got clear control lines along all 5 of those, and then if we just have a look at the T line area, which is your test interpretation line, you've got a test line on the MOP, test line on the COC, test line on the THC in the